Hi guys, it's Lucy from Craft Bush and welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you 3 dollar store crafts for Valentine's Day that I created, and even though I love the color red, it doesn't really go with the rest of our decor. So I wanted to make something a little more modern, a little more, I guess something that's a little more classy, and this is what I came up with. For the first DIY, I made this pretty black heart dish with a gilded rim. Next is this adorable heart planter. And lastly, this cute candle with a golden heart on top. I took this little red heart dish and spray painted it with matte black spray paint and of course let it dry. Once dry, I took some glue, you can also use Mod Podge, and just stuck some gold leaf all around the rim. Use your fingers to tap it down and then a brush to clean it all up. And you're done. This was so easy to do and I think it looks so posh. You can put chocolates or candies and just set it on the table. Next, we're going to take this candle and the first thing we're going to do is peel off the sticker. Once you're done that, we're going to cut a circle that's going to fit inside the candle, and this is going to protect the wax. Now place the cutout inside the candle and spray paint the entire candle with some of the matte spray paint that we used in a previous DIY. Now while the paint dries, make a simple heart from polymer clay. Follow the curing instructions on the package, and once it's baked, you're going to apply glue all over the heart and some gold leaf, again, covering the entire heart. You can set it aside. Now this part is optional. You can take some glue and apply some gold leaf all around the rim of the lid. I personally like the uneven look of the gold leaf, but if you like something a little more even, you can reapply the glue and the gold leaf in those little areas where the black is showing through. Once the candle is dry, you can remove the cutout from inside and place the lid on top. Now take some hot glue or crazy glue and glue the heart on top of the lid, and voila! For our last DIY, we're making this adorable heart-shaped planter. I used, again, the same red dish from before, and I simply sprayed it with this textured spray paint. It looks a little bit like stone. They also have actual spray paint that looks like cement, so you can also do that if you wish. You're, of course, going to let it dry, and if you wish, you can drill some holes for a little bit of drainage at the bottom of the heart. And then I just placed some succulents. You can use other small plants. You want to make sure that you can actually see the shape of the heart. And that's it. I love the subtleness of these Valentine's Day DIYs. I think they coordinate so well with the rest of our decor. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed that little video. Please let me know in the comments below if you want me to tackle some traditional pinks and
reds for Valentine's Day. I love to do that. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, of course. Subscribe and keep in touch through Instagram or the blog. The links are below. I am currently working on some fun watercolor printables for Valentine's and spring, so make sure you check that out. I wouldn't want you to miss it. And I think that's it. I will talk to you next time. Bye.